Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In this, our 17th video in the I-85 series, we've reached the state of North Carolina, and as we cross the state line we enter Cleveland County in a corner of the small town of Grover, which is named not for the Muppet but for President Grover Cleveland. Grover has a population of 706, while Cleveland County has a population of 97,144. The county was formed in 1841 and was named not for President Grover Cleveland, but for Benjamin Cleveland, a colonel in the American Revolutionary War who took part in the Battle of Kings Mountain. The state of North Carolina has a population of 10,273,419. We're presently at an elevation of about 860 feet or 262 meters above sea level. Here, US 29 once again joins us for a few miles. We enter the suburban city of Kings Mountain, which lies in both Cleveland and Gaston County. Originally, the settlement was called White Plains, but when the city was incorporated on October 16, 1874, the name was changed. It was decided that Kings Mountain would be a more appropriate name since the community was close to the historic 1780 Battle of Kings Mountain in York County, South Carolina, a turning point in the American Revolutionary War. Kings Mountain has a population of 10,797. Here we enter Gaston County, which has a population of 216,965. The county ranks 74 in size out of North Carolina's 100 counties. At exit 10A, US 29's concurrency ends and US Highway 74 crosses I-85. We enter the city limits of Bessemer City, named for Sir Henry Bessemer, who created the Bessemer process for smelting iron. Bessemer City was founded on land purchased from the Ormond family near the Sloan Washington Ormond iron furnace, but the Bessemer process made Bessemer City's early iron smelting industry obsolete. Bessemer City has a population of 5,548. The elevation here is 978 feet or 278 meters above sea level. We enter the city of Gastonia, the largest city in the county seat of Gaston County. Gastonia is named for William Gaston, member of the North Carolina Supreme Court, and is the 13th largest city in North Carolina. It's part of the Charlotte metropolitan area with a population of 75,536. Among notable natives of Gastonia are Fred Durst of the nu metal group Limp Bizkit and father and son NASCAR drivers Glenn and Harold Dunaway. In 2013, I-85 in Gaston County was named in honor of Senator Marshall Arthur Roush. In 1967, Roush was elected to the North Carolina State Senate representing the 25th District. He served until 1990. Ironically, the Jewish senator was once the largest maker of Christmas ornaments in the world, with his company producing 1 million ornaments per day at its peak. When asked, "How do you feel about making ornaments for the Christian religion?" Roush said in good humor, "I have no problem. One of our guys started Christianity." We conclude today's video at exit 23. Thanks for watching. Check out our merchandise at shop.spreadshirt.com/504roadtrips. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.